Alright guys, so we're pulling up to the meetup spot. As you can see, there's already cops right there, and we got the chopper in the sky. Sheesh. And it's barely 9:30, no mames. Ya vete a la casa, marica, no te ocupamos ahorita, hijo de la puta. Go home. Straight up.
Ballin' like I'm in the NBA.
Alright guys, so we're back at this beautiful spot right here. Good thing I'm sober, because like, oh shit. If you're drinking like 5 Four Locos or Patron bottle, you're for sure gonna flip over and crash right here. Fast and the Furious.
No. Okay, stop.
What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy Q Fresh. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and become a part of the KF Gang movement. Let's go. We're out here with another beautiful banger. We're at the infamous bridge again. I love it. We parked hella smart today. Stay tuned for the parking location. Psych! So when the swingers are done swinging, they throw their tires right here. I'll put the location where whoever wants to pick them up. Hey, what's up, bro? What's up? What's up? Hey! Por poquito le mochan el pene. They got a gun. Beautiful Camaro, beautiful Camaro. Trae la pistola, trae la pistola. We got the kitty cat in the house. The cops are here, so we're on our way to the next location. Pero there was a guy with the Malibu and the shades on, and I love it. Hey, what's poppin'? What's poppin'? Oh, you already know. It's Modelo time, baby. Que chula, plebes. Sheesh. Next location is gonna be around here, aquí en la esquina, que verga. We got Papa John's Pizza on the block. Sheesh.
There's a cop right here. In the corner, right?
We got a cop in the corner stopping somebody. Tenemos los vecinos afuera de la casa, los apartamentos. The next location is right here. Look at the beautiful view. Sheesh. We got the tank in the middle. There's always somebody special in the middle. Last time it was a clown. Now we got a guy with a tank. A tiny tank, but it's a tank. What's up, bro? What's up? I want to know if they're 2 for $5 or he has them cheaper today. I want to know. He seems happy though. Let me get a RIP scooter in the chat, boys. We got Chopper on top, low-key. Acting like we don't see him, but I see him. And the bird is hot tonight. Very low bird. Sheesh. Next location is 10 minutes away, guys, so let's go. We got the beautiful view right now. The beautiful view of downtown LA, guys. And some trash. I'm loving that downtown LA view. This is a beautiful spot. this spot is the beautiful view of downtown LA back there. It doesn't get any more sexy than that. Yeah, what are they dropping?
Dropping weed.
Dropping weed? Se le está cayendo la mota from the dashboard. Fast and the Furious, vámonos. Ya veniste tarde del party. Hey, cáele. ¿Qué ole? Oh, see again. Where's your homie at? Where's your homie at? You're in the same whip?
Hello, what's up?
¿Trajiste el mismo carro?
What's up with it?
¿Lo trajiste?
I
I wanna see you in the next spot. Tú sígueme, güey, vamos a la verga. Hey, what's up? What's poppin'? Ya llegó el chopper. Next spot, guys. Sheesh, nice and low. I don't even know where he's lighting up because the spot was low-key like right here, so sepa la verga. We got a Mustang doing his thing, I like that. Oh. A Mustang with the rollback, I like that. Just in case he runs out of gas, he can put some gas right here at the 76. You know I'm a big fan of the rollback. The Mustang's out, good shit. We got the G8 in the house. We got the G8 in the house, let's get it. What? Yeah. We got people on top of the light and the fence. They got smacked, but they got right back up. I like that.
Sure.
Oh my god, everybody's taking red lights. ¿Qué va a pasar? Todos vamos a agarrar tica la verga. Dale gas, güey, dale. Hey, what's up, bro? Anda bien corneado el plebe. He was honky because he was excited. 3 seconds later, there's people on his truck. Yeah, a lot going on right now, and I'm loving it. I'm freaking loving it. Oh, we got the Hellcat. I missed it. Épale. Literally a Malibu. Oh, sheesh.
I got some over.
¡Épale! Anda bien jorneado el play, míralo. Sheesh.
¡Se la pica!
Se la pica. ¡Ey, tú dale! ¡Ey, tú dale! ¡Tú machúcalos! ¡De que te vas la verga! What's poppin'? Yes, sir. Hey, let me see the jacket. Shee, Lakers, baby, Lakers. I can't even see what's happening right now because of all the smoke. I don't even know what the hell just happened. Ya me encontró el gobierno a la verga. I have to go to Mexico now. Shout out to the shirtless guy. Sheesh. That's what I heard. Yeah, he's sparky. Oh, yeah, it's done. I like that, getting it cracking like a motherfucker. Damn, that looked like he was surfing right now. Shit. Oh, that's right. Ahí está. Let me find out you called it, eh? Let me find out. Hit the wall. Shee, we got the convention center and we got beautiful downtown LA, and yeah, of course, after the meet we're gonna clap them treats.
Right now.
Oh, right now? Oh, shit. Damn, we got the LA Times. Shit. Los Angeles Tiempo. And we have the old school Sears because supuestamente it's haunted. But I doubt it because I want to go clap cheeks like 5 years ago with some random ass. No, I'm just saying. I'm just saying how it is. And it was great. Oh, shit, we have Optimus Prime here. Shit. Transformers, robots in disguise. Quieto, play, quieto. Súbele, Chalín, vámonos. $50 for the feet pics. If you have a foot pic, $50. She upgraded from peeing to throwing up. She had 3-4 locos, so she's calling it a night with a little throw up. Not everybody can hang. If you know, you know. Now you know. Ciao, pescado. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang Movement. Let's go. We're out here on the side of the freeway because my girl's throwing up, queefing, shorty, you name it. Look how hard this bass hits right now, guys. Are you ready? Look, watch. Wait, hold on, watch. Ready? Look. You already know we gotta get some Jack in the Box. Sheesh, and you already know that I'm the nicest guy in the planet right now, so I got my girl a Jack in the Box bag so she can throw up in it. She requested to have her face remain anonymous. Fuck you, that's what you said. Some days in the trip, I got my money up. Bustin' down the road like now she tryna